All right. So this is Mom's pineapple upside down cake. Got a couple teaspoons of, well, we got 3 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar. Frying in cast iron skillet. I could eat just that alone, honestly. Pineapples. Always afraid of more. Put your pineapples. I believe. Yeah, let's put some maraschinos in it too, Mom, just because. Oh, the sweet sound. Alright, we got one left over, Mom. You can have that one. I'm going to put that on medium. I'm going to let that cook. Where'd you say the maraschinos are, Mama? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to dig through all that. It's not even worth it anyway. It's a couple little old cherries. Just looks good, that's all. Alright, so you get your cake mix now. Get your one cake mix. Listen, I'm not even going to worry about them, so just. Try again. Alright, man. 3 eggs as the ingredients calls for. So I guess we'll put these in here because we went to that much trouble to get them. And I'll give you all a view of them when we get ready to do our thing. Alright. Pineapple juice. And then fill it the rest of the way up with water to make your full cup of liquid. It calls for a cup of water. Yeah. But we put the pineapple juice in it just for the flavor. And that was oil. Just follow the ingredients on the cake mix and you will win. Alright, then we're going to mix that up. Cool. Cake mix. Now you got your cake mix all mixed up. Let me show them a little bit of this. Look here. And this is what you should have: brown sugar, half a stick of butter, pineapples, and then you can throw your cherries in there on top of it, and it just looks good, but it's not necessary. And then just get ready to put your cake mix, and don't eat it raw like I do. Put your cake mix over into your skillet. What do you think, Mom? Are we ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, it just looks good. Get all your good stuff out of there. And in your skillet. Bam. Now, I'm going to take and put that over into the oven. 350. How long, Mom?
Well, to me, it just depends on your altitude and that kind of
Oh, we're not going into no scientific stuff, Mom. We're just talking here in the Appalachian Mountains. How long does it take?
What does it say for a regular cake?
Yeah, for your cake mix, I think about 25 minutes. So, about 25 minutes, just follow the cake instructions.
Really
the only thing different that you're doing here is you're doing the pineapples in your cast iron skillet with butter and whatever amount of brown sugar you like. We went with about 3 helping tablespoons of the butter because we all like, or of the brown sugar, because we all like brown sugar and we all like butter. And then you put your pineapples in there, let them fry just a little while with the butter and everything while you're stirring your cake mix up, and then you put it in there. And I'm going to put you on hold until we get ready to pull it out, and I'll bring you right back. All right, so it's been about 25 minutes. Give it a quick little check here. Make sure that oh yeah, we're good. We're good.
It fell in the middle.
A little bit, not bad. All right. Now you take your thing and you lay it on there like that right there. And then you got to put your hand on it like this right here. And then you give it a spin like that. And then you hope that it didn't stick.
Oh, did it all come out?
Of course it all came out.
Oh, wow. It looks professional.
And there you go, guys. There's your pineapple upside down cake. Little maraschino cherries in the middle of it. I'll leave all the little details on what you need to do in the description down there. There's pineapple upside down cake, mama style.